Hindi ko naman kasi expect na magkakaroon ako ng bisita.
Huwag mo kaming alalahanin. At promise ko sa'yo, safe ka. Hindi namin ipagsasabi na nandito ka.
Sorry talaga. Nadami pa kayo sa mga gulo ng utak ko. I just don't think I deserve to be a beauty ambassador anymore.
Paano mo ba nasabi yan?
Because I don't think I am beautiful. Kasalanan ko yung nangyari sa kapatid ko. I made a huge mistake.
Well, that experience is exactly why you deserve to represent beauty. You're wiser, you're pained, and you're imperfect. Katulad ng mga taong tumitingala sa'yo. At ang pinaka-importante sa lahat, matapang mong hinaharap ang mga challenges sa buhay. And that's what makes you beautiful, Tara.
You know, when I was a kid, I didn't even like how I looked. I thought my skin was too dark. I thought I was too skinny. Tapos yung ilong ko, hindi ko gusto. But it was Jacob who made me realize that I was beautiful already. He's the one who reassures me that beauty is not based on physical appearance, but the pureness of the heart.
Tama si Jacob.
Even so, I was still so insecure. I did everything I could just so I could accept myself. When Jacob took his life, nawala yung #1 supporter ko. My entire world collapsed. Lalo nung nalaman kong may pinagdadaanan pala siya habang binuboost niya yung self-esteem ko. I didn't even know he was being bullied. And that is the worst part. Habang nililigtas niya ako, pabitaw na pala siya sa sarili niyang buhay. And I was not there for him. I would give up everything. Makasama ko lang siya ulit.
Sana merong time machine, no? Para mabalikan natin yung masasayang alaala kasama ng mga mahal natin sa buhay. Matutupad na ang pangarap mo, ate.
Natin, Nuri. Mga pangarap natin. Gaganda na yung buhay natin mula ngayon. Makakaipon na ako para ma-develop natin yung brand natin. Kailangan magaling tayo lumaban sa buhay. Naiintindihan mo ba?
Opo, ate.
Loko talaga mga yun. Pag nahanap ko, ingumudmud ko din sila sa lupa. Tingnan mo.
Tama, ate. Sige.
Tandaan mo, ha? Yung mga taong umiiyak, yan ang pinakamatapang.
Thank you, ha. Sinamahan niyo ko. Pero, paano niyo ba kasi nalaman na nandito ako?
Humingi kami ng tulong sa tatay ni Alex dyan.
Alex siya. He's my family friend.